I'm Richard Branson, and I'm excited to talk to you about an important and effective effort to sustain our seas. It's the F3, or Future of Fish Feed Initiative, and it is working to save not just ocean life, but the future of our planet for ourselves and for our children. The F3 project addresses the humblest but most vital life forms in the ocean, tiny fish and krill near the bottom of the food chain. One of their core initiatives is the F3 Challenge, an international effort designed to encourage the aquaculture feed industry to switch from wild catch to more sustainable ingredients for their products. By creating incentives and investing in feed alternatives, F3 is helping to reduce the need to overfish and ending a major threat to extinction. So far, F3's efforts have saved the lives of 2 billion fish, and that's only the beginning. As an entrepreneur and investor, I understand that change and innovation are essential for the health and vitality of any industry. Investment in F3 is an opportunity not only to avert disaster, but also to create new, effective sources of sustainable nutrition that could help feed a world of 9 billion for decades to come. Because of its centrality to life, the ocean is everyone's business. So let's get involved with F3. Let's support and create new ingredients. Let's demand more sustainability from seafood retailers. Let's create food sources that do not deplete our oceans, but allow all its richness and diversity to flourish. Together, we can create a brighter future, one not only with enhanced food security, but with a healthy, thriving ocean as well. Good food and a healthy planet are possible.